What's going on, man? Box Chevy P back again with another one. As y'all can see, I'm a little tired. My energy is low. So I figured I'd get up and get out and get moving. You know what I mean? So I'm out here in the garage. Now I went and grabbed some caliper spray. I'm gonna go ahead and clean my calipers up on my truck and spray them red. So got some of that duplicate color caliper spray. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that done, man. In case y'all wondering, that's just the customer truck back here that I'm doing some brakes and rotors on. Yeah, so yeah, I'm gonna knock that out too before the weekend is over with. But yeah, man, I'm just working. So I'm gonna get this camera set up and get these cars moved around, and we gonna get this thing going. Let's go. So we're gonna do a side at a time. So I'm gonna do the front and the rear, So what we're gonna do now, I'm gonna get the jack out. Let's get this thing jacked up. We got the wheel off. Spray a little bit of brake cleaner on there. Get some of that debris off of there. And hit it with the wire brush. Wish I had some sandpaper. Get all the grit off of there as much as you can. It's hard holding the camera while I try to do this shit too. But y'all get the picture. Get all in the grooves. You see how quick that brake cleaner dry up. Then I'm gonna mask it on. Hopefully this brake cleaner don't react to the paint, but I'm gonna hit it with a little soap and water too. Okay, we got them done, man, but I ain't too satisfied with them. You can see the paint won't stick right here. For some strange reason, I scuffed them up. Still didn't stick, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and just buy the ones off of eBay. They like $2 a piece, but they look decent. I mean, they're gonna be behind the wheel, but I still want them to look nice and solid. Back one, same way. Everything else stuck, but just on them little corners, it ain't sticking. Gave it 10 minutes between each coat. I put 3 coats on there. Still didn't get it to stick, so what the hell. I'm gonna put one of these wheels on here and get a little visualization, if that's a word, of what I'm trying to go for. That wheel go on the driver's side, but that's what I'm trying to get, the look I'm trying to get with the black wheel with the red caliper. I mean, it'll do for now if you don't get too close and get the looking all up in there. It'll be alright, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and order some new ones, man. Go ahead and order some new ones. Yeah, so that's it for today, man. I'm finna jack this car down and get working on this truck. Go ahead and throw these brakes and rotors on here so I can get this truck out of here. Been here a day or so. So, yeah, but as far as the Caprice, it's coming along. I spoke to my painter. He said we're still on track for the end of this month, early June. So we still on track, man. So keep your fingers crossed. Got some goodies coming in for it. You can see a couple boxes over there in the corner. But we unbox all that stuff once everything come in. It's kind of cold out here, nose running. I'm gonna go ahead and put this wheel back on, get this car jacked up and get this one started. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Like I said, if y'all got any questions on the update on the Caprice, let me know. I will be bringing more content to the channel. It won't just be about the LS swap and the Caprice. I want to do a wide variety of stuff so, you know, it can bring in more, you know, subscribers from different angles. You know what I mean? So y'all stay tuned, man. Appreciate y'all. Catch y'all on the next one. Peace.